dummy grenade F-1, and we have printed in our 3D printing lab. Actually, this grenade model is used for money box. You can insert your money in this small hole, so you can gift it for 23rd February. So this is a very beautiful gift. You see, this is like a green color, and it's not like black, it's something like ash, and it looks really beautiful. And this is the small version of this grenade model. So now I'm gonna show you that how you can use it. So let's see. So this is the model, full model. So you can take out this one easily, just take out, and you can open it very easily. You see that it is in this model, so it's actually open, so you can take out. And this is the key. Actually, it's really nice. You will like it surely. And you have to just press and it just come out. You see, I just pressed and I come. Well, it come out, and you can use it, and you don't need to open it, or you can open it. Okay. Well, and in the below part, you see you can also open in this way. Just a bit. Well, I'm showing you from another model. Actually, it was not opening. Oh, you have to just move it. You have to just move it, or you can use any scissor. Yeah, sure. Oh. You see, it came out, and you can do it back. You just have to put it in here. You just have to little bit press, and it goes. Okay, and again I have to just return it to here. Well, this is the key, and that's simple. And you just put it, and you can insert some money in here. So you can just take your coins or any paper note. You can also put like that. Oh, it's not a paper note, but you can insert any kind of paper note also. So this is a good gift for 23rd February. I think you can put on your drawing room or other in your office also. So, and this is the small version. You can also here is no hole, but we can make it customized, so we can do it in another model, and it also looks very beautiful. So you can put something gift, or you can just put it in your room. You see, there is, you can fix it, so it's fine really. So you can just put it in your table. It looks really awesome. You'll see we have printed just 3 models. So if you are interested about our models, or if you have any special requirements to get the customized model of this grenade for 23rd February, you can contact with us. And we also make any kind of models in our 3D printer. We have our special 3D design team. So if you need any more information, you can contact with us. And to get this type of model and videos, you can subscribe our channel, our YouTube channel, and you can get our contact numbers in the video description. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this video.